Alright, hopefully this one works, because I'm gonna be tight if it doesn't. What the? Yo quiero par de millones. Chillin'. What's going on, everybody? Oh shit, that's not how I start my videos. The fuck? Hold on. Yeah. Yo, what's good, everybody? Que lo que mi gente? Ya tú sabes, estamos aquí, activo, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do as many things as I can right now. I'm trying to make a video. I have a video inside going on. I'm trying to do an install. All this stuff all at the same time. Let's get right into it. It's gonna probably be a short little video because this is probably the easiest install ever. I finally finished the strut bar that I stole from my sister's car back there. This bar was completely nasty, gray, disgusting. It looked ugly, so I went ahead and I sanded it down and I painted it. I went and made a video. I'll put it down in the link below. First thing you want to do is grab a 14mm, either a socket or a wrench or whatever, to take these out. Oh shit. I did not think that was that hard. Alright, hopefully this one works, because I'm gonna be tight if it doesn't. What the? Bro, you serious? This thing just snapped. That's why you don't buy cheap tools. Yo, since that broke, I kind of don't have any other option but this, and I don't want to do it. I could spray WD-40 on it, but I can't find it. I'm gonna put this over here somewhere like this. Grab this. Okay. Got that one loose. Got that one loose. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Get these out. Take these out. You go right there. Yeah. Alright. You gonna learn today. Oh. Moment of truth, guys. See how it officially looks. You gotta slide it there. Hold on. I gotta focus this for you guys. This is hard with one hand. Okay. Boom. Oh my god. That looks so nice. Oh my god. I love it. Alright, let's bolt it down. Why is it not fitting? Alright, so as you guys saw, I ran into a little problem trying to make the bar and these little rods go in. I got the one side in, but then when I was trying to get the other side, it wasn't matching. So what I did was I took both sides to loosen them up, and then after I loosened them up, I went again to put these. Hold on. I went again and put these bolts in, and then this second one right here, it didn't want to go in all the way through, so what you have to do is screw it in. It won't push through like the first one. you have to screw the second one in. Once you screw the second one in and you get far enough, it'll go straight through. And then bolt it up, tighten all 3 of the bolts on the top head again. Looks better. I swear the only thing that's missing is the headers, bro. I have the headers inside and I want to put them on so bad, but I'm just missing the downpipe. Alright guys, that is a wrap for this video. If you guys liked it, if you guys like the install and the strut bar and you like the way it looks, hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Your boy's trying to reach 150 subscribers before the end of the month, and we're almost there. We're like 7 subscribers away, so you should just subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you can get every video every time I upload it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.